Welcome back, traders, to another episode of not trying to sell you any BS or flaunt around rented cars that obviously the money is being made from the cost I sell to you the dream of becoming forex millionaires overnight. So welcome again to the raw fact. And if you want to learn how to trade, you should better take your minds and eyes off every shining light you see there of gurus who claim to have made millions and billions of dollars from the forex market. Okay, because that's not going to get you to where you want to be. Those who truly genuinely teach you how to trade forex and are truly genuinely making money from the market, or have truly genuinely crafted their edge in the market, don't have the time to flaunt around fancy cars, all in the name of trying to sell you a dream that may never come true. So this again is the daily outlook, where I analyze the charts for you, tell you the things you should be expecting so that you can better make informed decisions based on how you trade. Okay, this is not me making any trade call for anybody. It's just me educating you so you can better make decisions based on your own trading style. So if that sounds like what you want to see very often, then do well to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on information like these once I get them uploaded to YouTube. Without further ado, I am going to run down a whole lot of charts. I'm going to do the indices, I'm going to do the CFDs and major currency pairs. And if we have enough time, we can also do other pairs. And again, I've been seeing so many trade setups on crypto lately, and soon some cryptos, or majority of them, might just be selling very hard, and it's not really major sales, but something far enough to give you a very good profit or very good profits depending on how many you trade. So if I still have the time, I'm going to go through those and tell you the things you need to look out for. So with that being said, let's hop right in. Again, I do this, try my best at least to do this every single day, as well as every single teaching and insight that comes within me trying to analyze the charts for you. So if you want to get all those, you should better listen or watch to the end. Again, there are no fancy edits here. So if you are a fan of fancy editing and without that, you can't get the simple knowledge you came for, then you might just click out, and let's have those who are serious here anyways. So let's start with gold. And if you watched my video for the last time though, you can see I told you that gold is gonna come down for this move. Yeah, that was what I said. You can go watch my video for the last time I uploaded. Go watch that video. I think that video was specifically for gold, and I told you gold was going to come down for this move. But then I said, because this move going up broke the stop, then it might just give a room for us to have a complex correction in all of this, which means we can end up having something like this. Can end up having something this come down, form a 1, 2, 3, and then we get something like this back. We get this back, which is this, get this, and then get this back. So we can still end up forming a bigger correction here to continue this uptrend. But I told you again that that will not happen this month. So this whole thing might just take the whole of this month as well as the whole of next month. So if you've been following me, you would understand where we've been coming from all along. But anyways, if you haven't, then let's still do it right away. So these are what I am looking out for. Keep it here. Let's go back to the 1 hour. Because this came back here and it's going back up, we might just be having a correction here where we have this impulse. We have this impulse. We're going to get this correction. It's going to do this. We'll come back for this. Go back for this before we continue. That's a possibility. Okay. And if that happens, we'll bring this back to here. Bring this back to here. This becomes all the correction we have, and this, and then we'll come down. If not, we're going to go up and break this stop again. And if for any reason this move comes to break this stop again, then it further confirms the possibility of we having a complex correction here. before finally getting this move. If this breaks this stop, it can, of course, trigger that complex correction into play. Unless it breaks this stop, makes a flag here, then we can buy it for this move. And if you watched my last video, which I'm going to link somewhere here, so if you watched my last video, you're going to notice I said if for any reason we break this stop, make a correction here, which is a flag, we're going to go for this move because it's going to break this stop before we start getting this one. But then it broke the top, it came back right into this. It's going up or it's forming a correction. We don't know what it is for now. So I'm just staying away from gold for now until I figure out what exactly it is doing. So it's either going up or it's forming a flat there to come down some more. But either way, whichever one it is doing, we're going to track it and we're going to figure out what it is doing. And then we're going to know what next to do and which other step we need to take. But for now, these are the things you should be looking out for. Allow this to finish. It's going to probably finish, go up for this, or totally go up to break this. So if it's going up for this, it's just going to stop short, come back, go back up, complete this as flat, and then come down some more. Okay, where we now anticipate for this move after we break this low. Alright, so anyways, keep your eyes on it, and I hope you really understand this and you can track this and know what to do based on the way you trade. Anyways, that being said, either of the two things is going to happen, so keep your eyes on gold. But for now, I'm staying away until I see what this does. I'm just maybe going to stay away until this whole thing finishes up, until it does this, breaks it up, and then I'll look forward to either a correction here to continue this or an impulse in the opposite direction, a flag to sell it. So those are the things I am looking out for now on gold. If you trade silver, and then we're going to look at silver too. So I was basically looking at this to be a complete flat, and I think I was selling this. Yeah, that was yesterday, right? Yeah, I sold it yesterday, and when it started pulling back, I had to get out of break even. And then I saw this clearly that it was going up, but I didn't want to jump in because it could just break this stop and reverse. It went quite far. It came down to my entry point, and then it's going back up. So I'm just basically staying away from silver for now until I figure out what exactly it is doing. I'm hands off on silver until I figure out if it is going to form a flat here to continue this move, or if it's going to form this, go back up and start falling. So we'll figure it out very soon. Alright, so let's go to US oil, which I think is selling. Yeah, I missed this move. I didn't want to jump in because it was way too early. So I'm basically practically waiting for this. Alright, so I'm basically waiting for this to complete by London section. Okay, and same should go for the UK oil as well. Yeah, same thing. So let's rush down to US 30. It's selling, but I don't see the reason why it's selling, because I'm expecting it to go up some more before it starts, unless maybe we're just forming a contracting flat here and this is all we have. Unless that is the case, and then okay, it's fine. Other than that, I don't see the reason why this is selling, but it's forming a very good flag there. That's very tempting, especially after I broke out of this. So let's see if we get a very nice flag here. Then we can sell it to possibly break the low. Alright, and see, maybe a 1:2 trade. Let's see. So keep your eyes on US 30. That's basically what I'm seeing right now. And NAS, yeah, who says it can't turn from here? Even though I'm expecting it to go up some more. So we are going to keep our eyes to see if this forms a flat here or a flag to go up one more, or if this eventually comes down here, does this to come down. So I believe you can understand the difference though. I just hope you understand the difference. One is it goes up for 1, 2, 3, comes down for 1, 2, 3, and then goes up for this 1, 2, 3. The next is it comes down from where it is right now for 1, 2, 3, and then starts coming down for 1, 2, 3. Maybe you have another correction somewhere, okay, and then we take this as also a contracting flat, just like US 30. But for now, we're keeping it open because this could later be a flag here to break this stop once more, complete that flat and start coming down. S&P 500, also same thing, okay? I don't need to analyze this again. I did it on US 30, I did it on NASDAQ 100, so you should understand what I am looking out for here. So the best I can do for you here is to put this, just so you know that this can go up some more before it starts coming down.